Hello, welcome back to all. So, this is an overview video, talks about what exactly analytics is. So, let's start. What is big data analytics? Big data analytics is the process of examining large data sets to uncover hidden patterns, unknown correlations, market trends, customer preferences, and other useful business information. So, as the name suggests, analytics is nothing but the analysis that you might want to do to generate certain important patterns, thereby predicting certain important results. Okay? So, if those analytics are actually performed on big data, it's nothing but big data analytics. With today's technology, it's possible to analyze your data and get answers from it almost immediately, an effort that's slower and less efficient with more traditional business intelligence solutions. So it's quite of a known fact that nowadays, since we have smart analytics systems helping us make smarter predictions, this is sort of helping us find answers to the questions like really fast, and they are pretty much way much more effective than the traditional old business techniques and strategies when you would see the management team sitting and discussing and probably projecting, from old use cases that something may or may not work, right? These kind of solutions, like today's big data, is actually tremendously modified the older ways of seeing things and has brought a new vision to a lot of industries. Why is big data analytics important? First of all, it reduces cost. Big data technologies such as Hadoop and cloud-based analytics bring significant cost advantages when it comes to storing large amounts of data, plus they can identify more efficient ways of doing business. So originally what used to happen way back few years from now is if you were supposed to sort of host up an environment, you were required to have complete software as a services within your environment. So it involved costs like getting the installation process done, getting the hardware configurations on your device, upgrading your systems, checking them. If it's not working, then making the requisite upgradations, right? Which was sort of traditionally pretty cost expensive. Nowadays, what has actually happened is all the softwares have moved to the cloud as software as service, and so you can sort of get their services. The softwares are provided as a service. You can use them directly from their vendors and then just pay for the usage you're doing. So the maintenance part of actually maintaining the configurations and the setup and upgrading process is tremendously removed and tremendously stopped, thereby reducing the cost. And technologies such as Hadoop are actually enabled for cloud, so you can do all the computing operations on distributed systems, producing fast results and reduce the overall cost, which would have not been realistically possible if everything was hosted within the premises of your office space and your system space, right? So definitely cost reduction, faster, better decision making. With the speed of Hadoop and in-memory analytics, combined with the ability to analyze new sources of data, businesses are able to analyze information immediately and make decisions based on what that they have learned. So this is really crucial for businesses, making the decisions right and really fast, right? So since big data has authenticative proofs of what might work, what might not work, and the results generated are so very fast, that actually it helps a lot of companies to make faster decisions, be quick, in fact launch products in markets even when the users might not really know, wow, this is what we wanted, something what Apple does mostly, right? Customers and consumers don't understand what they want, but they just know it's amazing to use an Apple product, right? So a lot of companies can actually use the upcoming emerging market just because of these analytics and analysis. New products and services with the ability to gauge customer needs and satisfaction through analytics comes the power to give customers what they want. Davenport points out that with big data analytics, more companies are creating new products to meet customer needs. Since now we already know what our customers might really be interested to see in their products and what could be the add-ons to their requirement, companies are sort of now listening to their consumers and then creating those products which might be of efficient use to them. So this has tremendously improved the overall revenue of the companies, and they're helping them make better decisions both from the standpoint of consumer and towards their business needs. Okay, that's all. Thank you.